They forget say wetin they say make Baba no hear. Now Baba they come settle am. Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time, you just thank a post for YouTube, or if they watch, you never subscribe, please consider to hit that red button there and click on that notification button so you will know anytime I post video. Yeah, thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. So today matter I want to talk about Regina matter finish for ground. The thing they pump. So this time around Regina saying one leave her husband say because she no fit take everything we be say she dey take, and this one a marriage of just 1 year. And she don't get a baby boy for inside this marriage. She just newly born. For people who don't know Regina, or people who never hear her story, Regina na one young beautiful girl when be say he married Ned, one called the billionaire, one Papa Yoyo, when he did about 60 something and she did 18. She married the man a billionaire, the man he pepper he pepper red well. And when she married this man, social media catch fire, people talk, even me Mr. shook my mouth put at that time. We talk, everybody talk their own opinion for inside the matter, but the marriage can still continue, it can they go on. But now we call the year win. People they talk I never really confirm, I never really know, but me I like to shook my mouth put. I said before I shook my mouth put, me I know say what they shook my mouth put say now the right thing. As I can't dig and now cause say now true say what people they talk say now true say Regina won't leave her husband because of some kind of things when it they happen. First of all, Chika Ike, one actress, beautiful girl again, a senior girl, but she's senior Regina. That one don't marry, but she and the relationship, the marriage, not work because of one thing, another day, I don't know what happened. We can't hear now say now she fed the date Nedwoko, the billionaire, the Papa Yoyo. She dey date her. That one not married because our Papa Yoyo they like the fresh apple. We like to chop fresh one. When we say nobody don't touch, nobody don't bite. Because say now that fresh apple now in they like. So Chika Ike no be that type. So he just go chop and clean out. Now be what our Papa Yoyo do for Chika Ike. But during that time when Chika Ike take deal with this our Papa Yoyo, she see money because the man a billionaire, the man get money now, so the man they spend. Chika Ike use the money well. She opened big boutique for Abuja and she can still go America. She can go study for that side. You see her? Say she use the money well. Chika Ike not be the type of person maybe say no get to. She get. So Chika Ike now where you know say they say where Otoma for see tortoise. You know they finish for there every time they go there where they go see tortoise. So as if we say now they Chika for the see pepper now. So you know what leave the Papa Yoyo alone, he still like to they go there, see collect, see clean mouths. But Regina don't come enter because when he can't know Regina, he know say Regina na fresh apple. So he just carry Regina put for us, Mariam. And Regina now can't get to know say Chika Ike, they can't they chop her husband small. So she can't they vex. Meanwhile, this our Papa Yoyo, Regina na the 6th wife. You understand me? And she know. And the rest they accept her. But when she come notice say Chika Ike na actress like her, na co-actress. He say why wants to come the chop for say her sugar cake? He say no like her like that. She just want maybe say na she then will be the amebo for the house, then will be the last wife, make another person no come in. But Chika Ike say no, he no go leave her. So they can't drag the matter, drag her, they quarrel for a side body that they don't they don't want me anybody know. They no want me social media know, they hide down kokoroko kakaraka. They forget say wetin they say make Baba no hear. Now Baba they come settle am. They no come fit hide the matter. They take on they come out small. They come out small. When Mama Regina come see say Chika Ike wan kolobi Papa Yoyo for Regina hand, I say no. He no go agree make this Chika Ike come Colombia because they know what they get for inside. Say my pikin husband, he go fight with pikin. Now he come out come to say he go deal with Chika Ike. He go down into spiritual. If person say one go down into spiritual for you, anything can happen. He can turn you to anything. He can even permit you, if possible, to go down spiritual for person. Not be tea of meme. He say go down spiritual for him, make he leave the man for him. And now Chika Ike never only say he not put him for house. You understand? So how now see that part? So where would they talk that one? Would they listen? They say, ah, now wow, this matter don't they tear apart. This matter they don't wear cocoa shoe, don't wear yegbe, don't wear buluku. How they want to do this matter now? Regina mama, they provoke, they talk, no? Now then Regina come write for her post. She come write, say 2 of her friends, they don't born pikin for Nedwonko, her husband, the Papa Yoyo, the billionaire man. You say, which can't be this one? 2 of her friends don't born for her. And now, co-actress colleague, now Papa Yoyo one come see they carry now. She say she don't tired, say she not fit for the marriage again. They never touch it. He came home where say this thing where he don't live he still they come back again because money they there. She never even fight that battle finish. She come see notice say 2 of her friends already born pikin for the Papa Yoyo. Then she come say she don't tire, say she won't promote. She don't know say now so it go be to say if you marry her, say na bus stop. Maybe now waiting our Papa Yoyo promise and say no worry, now you go be my last bus stop. And she believe. But she comes here and say, men, they know they change, oh. Men know they get last bus stop, oh. You know, if you use that knock chest, say your marriage is perfect, oh. Until you and your husband don't hold up. That up, now too, don't they use that they waka, they go say the man, hey, he don't, the thing, everything don't weak, he don't old, he don't they go 100 years. You said, don't they follow on. The walking stick don't weak, everything don't weak. Before you go use a natural, say, oh, my marriage is sweet, my marriage not successful. Whether now you only you want to marry, whether you marry on a 10, no, you cannot nurture that my marriage is sweet. All of us with they pray. As we tell they go, so make it continue like this, so make it come be say when we don't old, we don't carry up, but we can say our marriage is sweet. Now so it they be. So Regina T say she don't arrive. Say now only she because she's still young, she's still fresh. But Papa Yoyo say no. Because Papa Yoyo he like enjoyment well. When Regina married that time, I kind of support her. Not be say I really support her well. If you watch my video, I kind of support her because Regina not be small pikin. And pikin will be say he get sense right from small pikin and say mama even talk her. And she know what she they go for. She even talk and say she like Papa Yoyo. Okay, somebody don't come and say he like Papa Yoyo. And he talk and say na Papa Yoyo he want marry for his life. Then he come marry Papa Yoyo. You can't tell and say why he marry Papa Yoyo. No, because now a choice. Now a when you hungry you. Now you buy chop. Now your choice. She not be small pikin. As far as the family accept, the mother accept. Who can be me when go come to say no, no marry when you don't already do the marriage because they don't already do marriage before public. No, not be say bring and come and say I want marry this man so that we'll feel encourage us. Oh no go if you go sassy be. They don't already marry. What do you want to talk again when you go change anything? Now I wish I all the best to my people. I know say people come they shock me road that time. But trust this time. And they don't understand me. I kind of support her because now a choice. They don't already marry before social media even know what do you want to do. All the talk where people talk, you change anything because they don't already marry. But when I do that my video, 2 things now I tell Regina. If you go watch that my video, you go hear her. The first video when I do 2 things now I tell Regina. I say Regina, this man when you marry so 2 things. So now I want to tell you for this matter. Number 1, not to say. You go shook your leg for outside, say the walking stick not the belly for you or the walking stick not for sure. Well, no, I know hear am because if you hear am, it not good because you don't already know say this man say as he be before you enter. So anything you see, you take am. If the walking stick reach your hand because sis wife now before you go round, let me say the rest go the staff. Before the walking stick go round. My people will not come for me for this one. Then go down. Stop it. I don't say my people will come for me for this one. Say, lady, now what I tell Regina that I said before the walking stick go round, it go don't say for garage. You sure say go reach you. But I thank God say our Papa Yoyo know what they do. That's why they carry them when they're fresh as ample because as they stand, so they'll take time. If now 10 years time take call them, they'll go. If now 20 years it take call them, they know they get problem. Our Papa Yoyo get sense. Okay, that one aside. The second thing when me tell Regina, I say no jealous so. I say because now people you come meet for hustle. And a young ladies too like you, now you come meet for the house. So if you can't say he can't carry join you, not just jealous at all. You go take on like that. But you don't they break the second one because now Regina they jealous. He say one carry Chika Ike. Not beside they support that Chika Ike. Oh. Because she can't know say this man a married man. See the sugar also now they call side chicken. You understand? But Regina, now you don't need to jealous because you know say na so it be before you enter. You know expect say you go be bus last bus stop now. Nothing can, not even reason now. What if for the do now prayer? May God arrest that walkie stick so that he go use and stay one place. Maybe say the una when you just get for house to go, they manage una they go. Not be to come fight because you already know. So as you come they jealous now, now that one not good. And my own personal advice for you now before my people will come shook my put for inside this matter. Be say, my sister, you don't need to fight anybody now. What do you need to do? Anything you feel grab now, grab her. I know say na Bilonia get enough. Anything you feel grab for a hand now, grab her. Make up with yourself so that you'll do okay. Because I don't say make you leave her, but just grab what you feel grab. Get your own things where you say go they fetch you money. Because nothing say as it can't be that time now. Now say it go be again. Because even though say Chika Ike not there, another fresh apple go there. Another one you go come face, you can't spend money for. Don't be say no go see money give you, but the way you take and nyafu, you know go see like that again. So if you feel grab anything when you grab now, get what they give you your own personal money. You stand on your ground, get the back. In your waka that walkie stick is saying no fit they cover now for one place. So my sister, now prayer you go they pray. Find what you go they do so that you go they get enough money to take care of yourself and your children. The day when I go say give una say you get. The day when you give you take. Just plan your life. And then your husband house not come out because you don't enter. I know they advise person to come out for husband house. So my sister, not that bag when you say you want carry, go put on bag. And that jealousy when they your mind, remove one and tell your mama say make your mama park for one place. Make she park for one place because she don't already say now so it be. So not be she go if you can hold our papa yo. If not, quarrel will come. If quarrel come now, you push una put for outside. And I call the shop amala and Gallico, Abe Akasa. So I know some I know still shop amala and Kasa and still do okay. But anyhow, you wanna just pack where. And what you do, Regina, may you and the co-wife, wanna pray, may God arrest he walkie stick. So that he go feel use and take face to for now. Okay. Now my advice be that. So my people, I will leave this video for you. May not be like I want to talk oh, the tea don't long. I know they let me my video be long like this. Anyway. So my lovely people, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching to the end. Please, I beg you, leave your comments for there. What do you reason about this story when we talk so? What do you think about the mother come and say one go spiritual for Percy Pikin? When you know say na Percy Pikin dey there before you own enter. Chika Ike on when be say what do my for C30, you know they come up for there say it of a chop. He be like say don't want chop, don't they expire. Say want come back again, you want to chop. And not be say she dey suffer, she's still doing well for her own side. I been our sister Regina when be say that one now maybe our papa you don't promise her, but not they believe on what if ma promise you because not be all the promise that they fulfill. If they never go there, then they promise even ahead too. Once they don't go there, come back, especially when you don't born for them. Not be as we take go, not be so we take they come again. Now prayer, then you go they pray. So what you not think? Which advice you not get for these three people, for Regina and for Chika Ike and for the mama when you say go spiritual? Please, your comments is very, very important. Your comments, please. Leave your comment down there. And again, I want to say a very big thank you for watching to the end. Thank you so much and God bless you. We are not here to say a story. We are here to say a story that will change life, that will touch life, that will change situation of things. If you are sharing our video, you are touching life, you are changing life, you are changing situation of things. So we always pray for people that share our video, you that will put that like up ever for you, and you that will leave your comment down there, you that watch us every Sunday 6:30, and you that call in, you that support us with super chat in any way, people that pray for this channel, any way you are supporting this channel, we always pray for you that Almighty God will send someone to support you in anything that you are doing. If you call 1,000, we answer you. Thank you so much, my lovely people. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your pikin. Anyone you call me, I did there for you. True Dreams, Bright Life with Lady T. See you on our next video. Ciao, ciao. If there is anything
that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams.